Once the user logs in to the C4Car Admin Portal, used car booking on the homepage admin to navigate to used cars table. It displays customer name, car model, booking date, and status. Admin to click on Accepted to open the car booking status. Request. The request page will display the user, vehicle, and appointment details and cost of car. Acceptance. The booking acceptance shows user, vehicle, appointment details, cost along with payment status and remarks. Payment. In the payment section, admin can view the payment details along with that can check status of payment, send payment request, or can even request customer to pay by cash. Click on Pay by Cash option. A pop-up box will open. Fill the details and click on Submit button. Payment confirmation. Payment status is displayed on the screen, where admin can check payment status. Reservation. Admin can view the reserve status in reservation. Click on Reserve button to reserve the car and click on Propose New Date to set appointment. Once a new date is set, awaiting confirmation will be added to car booking status. Completion. In completion, admin can view status regarding vehicle details. To close the deal, admin to click on Close Deal and click on Cancel to cancel the deal.